In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by multiple columns in Google Sheets. If you are working with a spreadsheet that has several related columns, sorting by just one column often isn't enough. For example, you may want to sort by department first, then by last name, or by date first, then by priority. Using multiple column sorting helps keep your data organized in a much more useful way, especially when you need clear tie breakers between rows that share the same value in one column. To begin, highlight your entire data range. Make sure you include all the rows and columns that belong together. And if your sheet has a header row, include that as well. This is important because sorting only part of your data can misalign your rows and make the information inaccurate. Next, click Data in the top menu bar. From there, hover over Sort Range, and then select Advanced Range Sorting options. This opens the sorting panel where you can set up more than one sorting rule in the order you want them applied. If your data includes column titles at the top, check the box labeled Data has header row. This helps Google Sheets recognize that the first row contains labels rather than actual data. If you skip this, your headers could get mixed into the sorted results, which can make the sheet confusing and harder to read. Now go to the Sort by drop-down menu and choose your primary sorting column. This is the first rule Google Sheets will use to organize the data. Then select the direction, either A to Z for ascending order or Z to A for descending order. For text, this usually means alphabetical order. For numbers or dates, it will sort from smallest to largest or the reverse, depending on the option you choose. After that, click Add another sort column to create your tiebreaker rule. Choose your secondary column and then pick the direction for that sort as well. This second rule will be applied whenever multiple rows have the same value in the first column. You can repeat this process for as many columns as needed, which is especially helpful for large data sets that require more detailed organization. Once all your sorting rules are set, click Sort. Your data will instantly reorganize based on the order of the columns and directions you selected. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the results to make sure everything appears as expected, especially if you are sorting a large table. Thanks for watching.